Hi, I'm Mark from Wilderness Equipment Rentals, and in this video, we're going to talk about why you should be carrying bear spray and how to use it safely. Carrying bear spray is one of the best decisions you can make when adventuring in bear country. And here, bear country is everywhere. However you spend your time outdoors, knowing how to properly store, transport, and use your bear spray is essential, and we'll show you in this video. The first and most important step, though, is prevention, and knowing how to not need your bear spray in the first place. The animals here are all wild and should be treated as such. Even animals that might seem friendly can be dangerous if they feel threatened. At all times, try to stay 30 meters or more away from animals like deer, elk, moose, bighorn sheep, and mountain goats. But the big predators, like bears, wolves, cougars, coyotes, stay at least 100 meters away. When you're out on the trail, the most important things are to stay with your group and make some noise. Carrying on a conversation, telling some jokes, singing your favorite songs, or occasionally calling out are the best ways to make sure that nearby animals are aware of your approach and aren't going to be surprised. Animals can be more likely to react defensively if startled, so make sure you're giving them plenty of time and space to know you're coming. Neither bear bells or playing music have proven to be effective at alerting wildlife, and usually just disturb other trail users. If you need to use your bear spray, you're going to need to use it quickly. Your holster comes with a Velcro loop, so you can keep it on your belt, a backpack strap, or somewhere else easily accessible. If you come across a bear while you're on the trail, make sure you stop, keep your group together, take your bear spray out, and slowly start to back away. Talk to the bear in a calm tone of voice. "Hello, bear. Nice to meet you. Have a good day." And back away until you're a nice safe distance away. Wait a few minutes before proceeding once again, making sure to make some extra noise as you slowly advance. Hopefully this gives the animal some time to move along. If the bear approaches you, get ready to spray. Hold the bear spray with one finger through the loop, other fingers behind the can, other hand on the bottom. Hold it as far away from your face as you can and remove the safety clip with your thumb. Aim for the bear's face and chest, aiming lower rather than higher, and squeeze the trigger for 1 to 2 seconds, sweeping slightly. Keep backing away. If you need to, you can spray again. A standard-sized bear spray contains enough repellent to fire for approximately 7 seconds, so short bursts give you a couple of attempts if needed. Get away from the area you were spraying in for at least a few minutes, and when the animal's gone, replace the safety clip. If you've discharged your bear spray, it's time to head back to the trailhead. At your first opportunity, you should call or speak to a representative from the local park service. Report your encounter and let them know you had to discharge your spray. Tightly bag your used bear spray and either return it to us or dispose of it in an appropriate bear spray disposal bin. When you come to pick up your bear spray, our staff will be happy to answer any questions you might have about our wildlife. You'll also get the opportunity to practice with an empty can before you leave. Bear and other wildlife attacks are exceptionally rare, and it's unlikely you'll need to use your bear spray. That being said, in the event of an encounter, carrying and knowing how to use your bear spray could save your life and the animals. Thanks for watching. We hope you have an amazing and safe time in the wilderness.